Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to write and understand a C program that calculates the straight line distance between 2 points on a 2D plane. This is a very common lab program and also an important concept asked in Viva and exams. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll explain each line of the code clearly and slowly. So let's see the problem statement is. A robot needs to find how far it must travel between 2 points on a 2D plane. Develop a C program to calculate the straight line distance between the given coordinates. To solve this problem, we use a mathematical distance formula. The distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by distance is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This formula comes from coordinates geometry and is very widely used in robotics, game development and navigation system. Let's see the logic of the program. Before writing the codes, let's understand the logic. Read the coordinates of the first point. Read the coordinates of the second point. Subtract x coordinates and y coordinates. Square both differences. Add them together. Take them the square roots. Display the final distance. Now let's convert this logic into C program. So we are using VS Code for coding. So in VS Code we have to create a new file, and now we're gonna create a new file beginner3.c. You can name whatever you want, and you have to save anywhere in the folder. So let's get started. So we create beginner3.c. We save our program in a folder. So let's get started. So first we have to write hashtag include studio.h. So let's write and begin the code. So let's go it's coding hashtag include studio.h. Studio.h is used for input and output functions like printf and scanf. Include studio.h. Hashtag include math.h. Math.h is required for mathematical functions such as square root and power. Without math.h, the program will give an error. We are creating coordinate geometry program, so we use math.h. So next we use int main. For the execution of every C program, it starts from the main function. Int main. So we gonna do variable declaration by double x1, y1, x2, y2 distance. Double data type is used to store decimal values. x1, y1 coordinates of first point, x2, y2 coordinates of second point. Distance stores the calculated distance. And now I'm gonna write printf input coordinates. Now we're gonna write printf enter coordinates of first point of first point x1, y1. x1, y1. Scan f. Scan f. Percent if, percent if, and x1 and y1. Same for the second point. Say printf enter coordinates of second point x2, y2. Scanf percent if, and x2, y2. So for distance calculation, we use distance is equal to square root For distance calculation, we use square root power x2 minus x1 2 plus power y2 minus y1 2. x2 minus x1 difference in x coordinates, y2 minus y1 difference in y coordinates, value to square the value, square root, calculate square root. This line directly implements the distance formula. So to display we use printf. The straight line distance between %2f, %2f and %2f and %2f is %4f. x1, y1, x2, y2 and distance. %.2f display 2 decimal places. %.4f display 4 decimal places. Output is clean and well formulated. And as we use C program, so we gonna write return 0. Return 0 indicates successfully execution. Program ends here. So let's test by giving some sample number. So we're gonna, our code is completed, so we're gonna give some sample numbers like enter coordinates of first point x1 y1 7 8. We put another number input, we provide 9 and 5 second point, so we get the distance between 7 and 8 and 8 9 and 5 is 3.6056. Let's again try for another value. So we give first point 444 and 55 and second point is 78 and 98. So the distance between 444 and y2 y1 555 and x y x2 78 and y2 98 is 368.5173. So our code is completed here. This is how we write a C program to calculate distance between 2 points using the distance formula. This program is very important for lab exam and viva. If this video helped you, then
comment below what program you want next. Until then, keep coding and keep learning. If you want, I can also